Looking for a home that blends comfort, community, and convenience? My name is Gabby, team leader of the Magzino Group, and I'm so excited to take you on a tour on my newest listing, 435 Cardinal Lane, Bedminster, New Jersey. A half duplex set on a serene cul-de-sac here in the sought-after community, featuring 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a powder room. Every inch of this residence reflects a warm and inviting atmosphere. But the best part of living here extends beyond its walls. Imagine living just blocks away from top-tier amenities, including a fully equipped gym, a sparkling pool, and courts for tennis and pickleball. For families, Bedminster doesn't just offer a home, it offers a community. Celebrated for its award-winning schools, low taxes, and a lifestyle enriched by many parks, all of this plus effortless access to major highways, putting New York City and charming short points within easy reach. Ready to take the next step? I'm Gabby, team leader of the Magzino Group, and I'm passionate about connecting you with more than just a house, but a home that resonates your dream lifestyle. Contact me today, and let's make your dreams a reality.